everybody, Lauren here from Anita Goodesign, and I'm coming to you with the best news. We here at Anita Goodesign are coming out with a brand new line of designs, and it's going to be called Sewin Singles. So what is Sewin Singles? Sewin Singles is a way for you to purchase individual designs. We've come out with this product line because you have been asking us. You've been saying, I just want to order one single design. Am I able to do that? And in the past you weren't, but we have now brought it to you. So with this Sewin Singles line, what you're going to do is you're going to go to our website, anitagoodesign.com. You're going to find the tab for Sewin Singles, and you're going to peruse and search all the beautiful designs that we have on there. Once you choose your design, you'll then click on the size that you'd like. They're going to come in multiple sizes for your hoops and for your projects, so whichever size design you want, that's the one you'll choose, and then you'll receive those in all machine formats for you. Now, what's the best part about this besides these beautiful designs? They are starting as low as $1.95. Now, it's going to be incredible. They will be designs at random. They are all new designs. We are not even starting with old designs. Right now, we are launching Sewin Singles with over 200 different embroidery designs for you to choose from. And when you look here, I have everything from butterflies to baby designs. I even have some great sewing signs and sewing notions for you. I mean, you name it, we're going to have it. So again, go to anitagoodesign.com, find our Sewin Singles tab, and just enjoy shopping for those singular designs. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one.